Hello, friends! Welcome back to the Filipino kitchen in the UK. If you're watching this video, you've probably heard of the trending single skillet spaghetti dish featured by the Duchess of Sussex Meghan in her Netflix series. I am honestly intrigued by this, so I've decided to give it a go. So, for this dish, we'll be needing some spaghetti, lots of tomatoes, a handful of kale and rocket, 1 lemon, 6 cloves of garlic, some parmesan cheese, chili flakes, olive oil, salt, and we'll also use 4 cups of boiled water. We'll begin by preparing the tomatoes and the garlic, and alongside this, we'll also boil around 4 cups of water. Now, place all the tomatoes in a skillet and add a teaspoon of salt, then drizzle around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add the garlic and the dry pasta. Full disclosure, I forgot to add the lemon zest before adding the water, but Megan actually added the lemon zest before pouring the water in, so I would suggest sticking to that order. If you are using chard, you'll need to chop the hard stems first and place them in the skillet at this point. Then roughly chop the kale and the leafy part of the chard if you're using it and set them aside. Now put the skillet on medium heat, cover with the lid for 6 minutes and let it come to a boil. In the meantime, grate some parmesan cheese. Then, after 6 minutes, remove the lid and stir the pasta. Toss in the kale and cook for another 4 or 5 minutes until the pasta is al dente and the liquid has been reduced. Finally, add the grated cheese, rocket, and chili flakes and give it another stir. The pasta is now ready to serve. We decided to top it off with our favorite chili oil, and after trying it, I agree with Megan's friend that this dish is quite creamy and cozy. I do like the subtle citrusy flavor combined with the sweetness of the blistered tomatoes. So, in my humble opinion, it is indeed a cozy bowl of joy. Overall, this pasta dish is budget friendly, healthy, quick, and is actually perfect for Lent. Hope you give this a try and let us know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.